Boys, we got Miata parts coming in hot. Alright, check it out. So, I've got new brake pads, I've got an alternator belt, and the exciting one, coilovers. I just need to decide what to do first. So, the alternator belt in the car, I noticed is getting quite cracked, and it looks like it could break at any time. So, that definitely needs to get fixed as soon as possible. The brake pads are getting quite thin, so that's sort of a safety issue, which definitely also needs to get fixed ASAP. The suspension, though, kind of is just to make the car look a bit cooler. So naturally, let's do the coilovers first. Wonder what's in this little box. Yo! No way! Check this out. That has to be one of the coolest keychains I've ever seen. That is incredible. I did not expect something like this from such a low-end suspension brand. That's sick. Okay, these are new top hats. Sheesh, these look sick. I love this color. Yeah, they're not assembled, so gotta be careful not to drop stuff, I guess. I'll put this back in the box for now.
My mama raised a saint. I want 70 mil like Frank. King of the hill like Hank. I want a crib with a view of a lake. I want to drive a fancy car.
Guys, I'm hyped on these. They look sick, even though no one's gonna see them. They feel nice. And the best part is, now I get to delete this atrocious wheel gap that I've got going on. I'm gonna start off by assembling all these coilovers first, because I think that makes the most sense. Oh man, I'm gonna need a third hand. How are you supposed to do this? Oh, let's go. Ah, I win. Just 3 more to go.
I like to stare at the stars, but I don't make wishes, I pray up to God. I'm not afraid to start over, we couldn't afford a memory card. It's actually funny, I thought that was one of the things that made us poor. I'm from America, when it gon' make you forget what you slaved for. My mama raised a saint.
Oh, the rears are so easy. That's great, you'll love to see it. Alright, that actually wasn't too bad for some 30-plus-year-old bolts. So, now it's time to install the new one. Okay, this first one is finished, and for now I've just set the height to somewhere sort of in the middle. I'll make them both the same and see where it ends up, and then adjust from there. Bear in mind though, my fenders are not rolled yet, so I don't think I'll be able to go as low as I want. But don't worry, I'll get them rolled soon and then we can go full stance. Oh my gosh, I was tightening that. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, it would be foolish of me not to do the brake pads while I have the wheels off, so I'm going to do that now before I lower the car, and yeah, should be a quick job. Okay, the wheels are on, so it's time to lower the car and see where the ride height ends up. Oh my gosh. Did I just get that perfect first try? Okay, it's not quite perfect. Definitely could go a bit lower. But also I don't want it to rub on these fenders before they get rolled. So I think it's a good starting point though. I'm gonna do the rear and then see how it settles out and make adjustments from there. Okay, it's all done. Time to see how the rear fitment looks. Dang it, my jack is stuck. Okay, not bad. Definitely could go a bit lower, but I'm just not sure if it's gonna rub, so I have to test drive and see. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get that lip rolled over in order to get properly low. But hey, I'd say this is pretty solid though for a complete guess at where to set the height. Not too bad. Okay, so it's a new day. I did test drive the car yesterday, and I had a small mishap with the brakes. Somehow I managed to install one of the pads backwards. Yeah, I have no idea how that happened, but anyway, it's all fixed now. As far as the suspension, I'm very happy with it. It feels great. The ride height is pretty good. It does rub ever so slightly on bigger bumps and like with hard cornering, but I think I'm gonna just deal with it for now because I really don't want to raise it. And so, the last thing I have to do right now is the alternator belt. So let's get to it. Okay, there's the power steering belt off. Now I can access the alternator belt. I think this is actually a good time to show you how bad my alternator belt on the car is. You can see it right there. Look how big these cracks are. And I just noticed, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, right over there, big chunk completely missing. That is very bad and definitely needs to be changed. So yeah, I'm glad I'm doing this job now. Alright, there we go. It was definitely time to replace this thing.